Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Chime how to find routing number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To find your Chime routing number, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Chime application. Then once you're inside the Chime application, simply tap on the login option at the bottom of your screen, and once there, simply tap on your email option and enter in your email. Then do the same for the password and then simply tap on login to log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on Move Money tab at the bottom of the screen, and then inside you'll be finding an option that says settings. Simply select it or select account info depending on your app version. Then once inside, what you need to do is look for your routing number and account number, which will be displayed right beside or under your name. The alternative method can also be by simply tapping on money and then tapping on transfer money, and once you select bank account, the app will show you your routing and account number. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.